Changing your debit card on Square is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you will need to access your Square account, either through the Square website or the mobile app. First, log into your Square account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings section, which is typically represented by a gear icon. In the Settings section, select the Payment Methods option. Under Payment Methods, you will see a list of all the debit and credit cards currently linked to your Square account. To change your debit card, click on the Add or Edit Card option. If you are replacing an existing card, you will need to delete the old card first. To delete an existing card, click on the three dots next to the card details and select Delete. Confirm that you want to delete the card by clicking Yes. Next, to add a new debit card, click on the Add Card option. Enter the new debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the information carefully and correctly, as incorrect information may cause the payment to fail. After entering the new debit card details, click Save to save the changes. Square may verify the new debit card by sending a small verification charge to the card. This charge will be refunded immediately. Once the new debit card is verified, it will be updated as the default payment method for your Square account. You can confirm this by checking the Payment Methods section again. It is essential to keep your payment information up to date to avoid any disruptions to your transactions. If you encounter any issues while changing your debit card, you can contact Square support for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily change your debit card on Square and ensure that your transactions are processed smoothly. Remember to always keep your payment information secure and up to date to maintain the integrity of your Square account.